Hi viewers, how are you? Hope you all are fine. Today we are talking about how to lose 7 kgs in 7 days. Amazing diet plan. Actually, this is the diet plan that Nimra Khan, Pakistani actress, used to reform her body. You know how she lost 17 kgs in very short time. She was losing 7 kgs in 7 days, and in 2 months she reduced 17 kgs. Amazing diet plan. But before starting off our video, if you didn't like my channel, please subscribe my channel. If you like my video, then give me thumbs up. And also don't forget to share. Let's start. We can start with the morning wake up. When we wake up in the morning, what we have to do? First, we need a drink. After awaken, we need a drink. What is in this drink? We need warm water, plus lemon, plus honey. Okay, no need to add any other thing. Just take a big glass of warm water, add 1 lemon and a tablespoon of honey. Just mix it well and drink. This is your morning drink. After this drink, go for walk. This is your first step. Second step, go for walk. Okay. The question is, how much walk is required to reduce weight? After drinking this water, we need 30 minutes walk. 30 minutes walk is more than enough. Okay, come back, or if you are doing walk at your home, no problem. You need to take a difference between this drink and your breakfast. Okay. Here is the time of breakfast. What you are taking in your breakfast? 3 to 4 hard boiled eggs, but not whole eggs, only white. What we are taking in our breakfast? We are taking 3 to 4 hard boiled eggs white, not yolk. Just remove the yolk, because here we are just keeping all kind of fats, even that are good or bad. We are not talking about them. We are just keeping all kind of fats. So we are taking only protein. We need to take 3 to 4 hard boiled eggs white. Okay, here after drinking of water and walk, you need to give 1 hour break. After 1 hour, you can do your breakfast. Okay, next step. After your breakfast, half an hour. After half an hour, if you want to take, okay, here you add 1 apple. For example, if you are taking breakfast at 7 o'clock, then at 7:30 take 1 apple, and after again half an hour, you take a cup of tea or coffee, anything. This is your breakfast. But must remember, you have to give a gap between your drink, morning drink, that is warm water, lemon and honey, then walk and breakfast. Need 1 hour gap, and then when you did your breakfast, when you finish your breakfast, then you need to give half an hour break and take 1 apple, again half an hour break and a cup of tea or coffee. This is your breakfast. That's it. No need to create any other thing. Now we are going on next step, that is our lunch. And our next step is lunch. What we have to do in our lunch? It's very easy. You know what the benefit of this diet plan? Sometimes when we are talking about take fish or grilled chicken or these kind of things, normally maybe we don't available that at home. This is very simple, very easy. Everyone can do it easily. So we are talking about our lunch. What we have to take in lunch? First, please maintain your drinking water. You should take 10 to 12 glass of water at least. Before going to your lunch, take 2 glass of water. In first time, take 2 glass of water. After that, take lots of salads. Now, the amazing thing is, again you have to take hard-boiled egg whites. How many? 3. Again 3. 3 hard-boiled egg whites. What is the difference? There is no difference in the breakfast and the lunch. Just you are adding salads, in which you can add any kind of raw veggies like carrot, cucumber, onion, cauliflower, broccoli, and anything you want to eat, you can. Raw veggies you can add in your salads. Okay, next is hard-boiled egg whites only. Again, after half an hour, 1 apple. Again, after half an hour, 1 cup of green tea. Okay, make sure one thing here in your breakfast, when you are taking 1 cup of tea or coffee, but it is without sugar. And here green tea is also you need to take without sugar, because sugar is not allowed here. After taking 1 cup of green tea, now you have just finished your lunch. And one amazing thing is our dinner is also ready. That also same. 3 boiled egg white, not whole eggs, only white. After half an hour, take 1 apple, and after again half an hour, take green tea but without sugar. So our breakfast, lunch and dinner all have same ingredients, just a little bit difference. One important thing, your evening snack or your afternoon snack, if you are feeling hungry, then you needs to take a big glass of, that is almost 500 ml. You need to take a big glass of juice. What kind of juice? Here you need to add cucumber, ginger, tomato, and mint leaves. Even if you want to add any other veggies, you can, because Nimra Khan said she adds a lot of veggies in her juice. That makes her skin more prominent, more glossy and glowing, and keep hydrating herself by drinking 12 to 14 glass of water. This is amazing diet plan, very easy to do. just go ahead and reduce your weight, transform your body. Hope you like my video. Okay, I'll come soon with another diet plan. Bye.